Oat milk smoothie recipes. These nutritious and delicious milk smoothie recipes are more than just healthy, they give our taste buds an unforgettable experience. Likewise, they can help with weight loss and are extremely refreshing. What are oats? Oats are a grain that are high in phosphorus, fiber, zinc, manganese, vitamin B1 and magnesium. On an empty stomach, they help your intestinal tract, digestion, prevent cancer and lower fat levels in the blood. Likewise, they are good for diabetics and people with insulin resistance. Oat milk is a vegetable drink that is made by blending oat flakes with water. You can get delicious smoothies that add on to the nutritional value of oats by mixing them with fruits. Oat milk smoothie recipes. Oat milk. Ingredients: 1 liter of water, 6 tablespoons of oat, 70 grams. Preparation: blend the oats in the liter of water. Strain and save the liquid. The leftover paste can be added to natural yogurt and sweetened with honey. You can also mix it with cereals or eat it by itself. Strawberry and banana smoothie with oat milk. Ingredients: 1 banana, 50 grams. 1 liter of water. Honey, to taste. Three large strawberries, 50 grams. 1 handful of muesli, 120 grams. 6 tablespoons of oat flakes, 70 grams. Preparation: make the oat milk and save it. Thoroughly wash the strawberries, remove the stems and then cut into pieces. Peel the banana and cut into small pieces. Blend the fruits with the milk. Sweeten with honey. Serve with a little muesli on top. Oat and banana smoothie. Ingredients: 1/2 cup of fat-free natural yogurt, 100 milliliters. 1 banana, cut into small pieces, 50 grams. 1/2 cup of skim milk, 100 milliliters. 2 small tablespoons of honey, 30 grams. 1/4 tablespoon of cinnamon, 5 grams. 1/4 cup of oats, 50 grams. Preparation: put all of the ingredients in the blender at maximum speed. Serve cold. Oat, banana and butter smoothie. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of linseed or linseed flour, 10 grams. 2 cups of cold almond milk, 400 milliliters. 2 tablespoons of oat flour or oats, 30 grams. 1 banana, cut into small pieces, 50 grams. 1 tablespoon of honey, 10 grams. 1/4 cup of butter, 50 grams. Preparation: blend all of the ingredients at maximum speed. Serve cold. Oats and berries smoothie. Ingredients for oat milk: 1/4 cup of oats, 50 g0. 3/4 cup of skim milk, 150 milliliters. 1 1/2 cups of chia seeds or linseeds, 30 grams. 1/2 tablespoon of almond extract, 5 grams. Preparation: blend all of the ingredients at maximum speed. Pour into a glass jar and keep refrigerated for at least 5 hours. For the smoothie: 1 large banana, 50 grams. 2 tablespoons of oats, 20 grams. 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 10 grams. 4–5 strawberries or blueberries, 60 grams. 1/2 cup of skim milk, 100 milliliters. Preparation. Blend all the ingredients together. Add the milk that you were keeping in the fridge. Serve cold. Oats, ginger and pear smoothie. Ingredients. ½ banana, 20 grams. 4 ice cubes. 1 pear, unpeeled 40 grams. 1/2 cup of cooked oats, 100 grams. 1 cup of milk or fat-free yogurt, 200 milliliters. 1 tablespoon of linseed oil, optional, 10 grams. 1/2 teaspoon of fresh, cut ginger, 5 grams. Preparation. Blend all the ingredients for 10 minutes. Serve cold. This way, the fruit will have a better flavor and the smoothie will taste better. Not only in this particular smoothie, but in all of the ones mentioned above. Banana and pear smoothie.